Now this video is part of a collaboration called Simple and Beautiful Memorial Day Tea Party Open Collaboration. This is being hosted by Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden and myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Now we have some beautiful co-hosts, so let me mention them. We have Jennifer at Home, May's Design Corner, and Secondhand Tracy Ann. Alright, so here is my beautiful centerpiece. You guys know that I love white flowers. And then we have those 2-pillar candles. So the candles came from the Dollar Tree and the candle holders were thrifted. Then we have this greenery off to the side. I got both the plastic holder and the greenery at the Dollar Tree. And then I have my gold bird, as you saw, that came from Dollar General, I believe. So look how I fanned out my napkins. They look absolutely beautiful. And I use these cardinals right here. They're holding the tea bag, and here is my place setting. So I am absolutely loving that napkin fold. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how I did that. All right, so this is the place setting once again, and let's head on over here to where I have the tea bag, and I have the blue bird, the cardinal, on the tea bag, hibiscus tea. So here's the flag plate I absolutely love. I got that from the thrift store, Goodwill. And then here we have that white plate, which came from the Dollar Tree. It's not a Dollar Tree item, guys. It was a really good quality plate. Now, here we have the charger, which came from Hobby Lobby, and this gold placemat came from the Dollar Tree. The red placemat underneath that was a gifted item. Then we have the gold utensils. Now let's go ahead and put this back together. So here we go with the white charger and that white plate. And now we're going to reach over and get the flag plate, which I absolutely love. This was an awesome score. So it is a budget-friendly tablescape. And then that is my tea bag right there. And here is my napkin. Beautiful. So I have that diamond ring holding the napkin. It looks beautiful, guys. And this whole little tea station right here on the corner, the florals in red and white, those mini roses, they came from Michael's. I am loving this Rae Dunn set, and once again, those items were thrifted. Now, if you guys haven't been over to all of these content creators' channels, what are you waiting for? I am loving this tea party. Can't wait for this to grow. All of them create such beautiful content. Head on over there, click the like button, leave them a beautiful comment, and tell them I sent you. Amen. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen. So let's take a closer look at all these items.